Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video we are going to create JS model or object to process the information which is captured by this. What we will do, we will add a click listener in this save button, and upon this button click we will create object of this information. Okay, so it is the front end layout, so we need to open that. In the views we have ensured the Pacifico front end blog layout. Okay, now search for submit. Okay, this is the button of type submit. Okay, we'll remove the type submit and we will utilize this submit button. In the end of this we will create a script here. We will say document dot ready function upon this button click now here we will pass the function we create a model and inspect this information. Okay, we need to add some values here, or we can use the custom one. Here is for the name. Here you can see the name is this, and we can use this one to extract the information right below. Name is equal column dot val email address message. Okay, let's extract this. Contact email, contact name, email address. Instead of the phone we have email address, so we can use the address as a phone number right now, but in the future we will update this, but now we are using this. Here is the contact message and that's it. Okay, now here you can see I will populate the information as and message and utilize this model, and here in this model this is the information I have right now. In the next video I will add a AJAX call and process this model to the action which we have created in the previous video. You can see here. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.